Ethical hacking is gone. It's outdated. And if you're thinking you'll get a job in cybersecurity with just ethical hacking, then you're in a big trouble. So if you want to build your career in cybersecurity, then CyberSapiens is the best place one can join. Yes, CyberSapiens is an international company which offers a very unique training program. They offer training with internship where you can learn and earn at the same time and gain experience. So instead of joining any training institute or an online course, you can join them. And their curriculum is also unique where they teach all these concepts like VAPT, bug hunting, web, API, network, and mobile pen testing, cloud security, SOC monitoring, GRC, which is governance, risk and compliance, network security, and many more. They don't have trainers or faculties. They have mentors who are working professionals. So you will be learning from the cybersecurity working professionals. Talk to their course advisors to know more.